Hey, what's up? I'm Beth and this is Star Makeup. Today's video is going to be unboxing my February BoxyCharm box. So I've got my box here and we are going to take a look at the products that I got for this month. So the first thing is the TULA Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. This is a full-size product. It retails for $32. You get a little over 2.5 ounces in here. It's got pink sand, pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel in it. And it is supposed to help target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. Definitely something that I need. So I will be incorporating this into my skincare routine very soon, and we will see how it works. I've never really tried a whole lot of TULA, so I really don't know what any of their stuff is like. So yeah, we will see how that is. The next thing is an eye duo from Trestique. So you get the Good Vibes mascara and an eye pencil. This retails for $44. I don't really know about the eye pencil, but I do already happen to have the mascara. I had gotten this in an Ipsy, and it's pretty cool because the top part of it here actually has like a half lash curler. So there's just a little thing that you can like pull down on, and then it's got the little lash curler in there. So, I mean, I think it is a cool feature. It's not exactly my favorite thing in the world. I don't tend to curl my lashes. And then it's pretty much just a typical mascara wand. I've used it a number of times. I've liked it every time that I have used it. It's on my list of mascaras that I need to use up. So I'm probably not going to open this. I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway box that I've been collecting over the last couple of months. The next thing is from Glamiere. Never heard of them before, so sorry. It is the Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. And this retails for $29.95. And I think these brushes actually look really nice. I'm very excited to try them. And the handles on these are just so freaking cute. So that's what the brush tips look like. So you've got an angled brush, and then like a really tiny flat brush, which I absolutely love using for inner corner highlight. And then you've got kind of a domed blending brush and then like a flat shader blending brush. But the handles have little like glitter hearts and water in there. So when you move them around, the glitter moves. They're very cute. So yeah, I thought that was actually really cool. I'm always happy to try new brushes. And then we've got from Evio Beauty, the Porefect Primer. This says that it is a moisturizing primer with a matte finish that will create a smooth base for your foundation and help it last all day. It retails for $23, and you get 30 milliliters of product in here. So I've never tried anything from them before. Definitely happy to try a primer that is going to reduce the appearance of my pores. So yeah, that will be awesome to try. And the last thing was actually my choice product. And I just chose this because I would have preferred this over the other thing that I got to pick from. But I do already own this palette, so this is another thing that I will be putting in my giveaway box. So this is the Nostalgia palette from Ace Beauty. It retails for $38.99. You get 24 grams of eyeshadow in this palette. I'm going to open this one up because I didn't think to grab mine, and I want to make sure that it's not broken too. But this palette is gorgeous. So that is what it looks like if you've never seen it before. It is beautiful. I have not tried it yet though. But I have tried, I bought the Oceanic, the Nostalgia, and the Flare all at the same time. I have tried the Oceanic and love the Ace Beauty formula. I know that a lot of people either really love Ace Beauty's formula or really hate Ace Beauty's formula. But yeah, that will be another product that I'm going to throw into my giveaway products, and at sometime, once I've got more subscribers, I will be running a giveaway, and I've got a whole bunch of cool stuff that I will be putting in those packages. So yeah, that is it for my BoxyCharm for February. I have picked up a few items from pop-up, but I haven't gotten them yet. So I will probably do a video with them when they finally get here. I got some really killer deals on some stuff that I've been wanting for a while, so I was really happy, and I'm so glad. This is only my second BoxyCharm ever, and I'm really glad that I decided to go with BoxyCharm this year in addition to my Ipsy. I don't know, you can't get these deals that either one of those companies offer anywhere else. I love them. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. If you do, ring the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I post a video, which is pretty much every day. You can hop over to Instagram and follow me over there. Also, everything will be listed in the description box down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.